Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very important guys because I'm gonna tell you about a meme generator. With the help of this website you can generate memes and you can upload in your social media and you can increase the followers guys. So let's start the video. Firstly you will have to open your Google Chrome and you will have to search Supreme Meme, Super Meme AI. The first website you will have to open guys, supermeme.ai. Then firstly you will have to sign up guys, so click start for free. Then sign up with any one of Google account guys. Then here you will have to, there are three options: text to meme, themed meme and search templates. So firstly we'll check text to meme. So guys, here is the search bar, so you can search any kind of memes prompt you will have to give and they will generate the memes for you. So suppose I'm giving a prompt: a boy pretending to laugh when her girlfriend says now broke up. See guys, they will create the memes within couple of seconds. See guys, they have started generating meme. So let's see guys, when you realize she did things over but text, but you gotta still keep that smile on your face. See guys, the multiples meme they have generated. So if you want you can customize those memes also. By clicking on that you can just change their text, right? Otherwise you can just download it, multiple memes. This is totally free of cost guys. So suppose I like this meme, so click on download and it will be downloaded guys. And quality is also super. They have super quality memes generator, so you can just download it and you can use it anywhere you want. See guys, they have started downloading. Let me open for you guys so that you can check the quality of this meme. See guys, how quality wise also this is amazing quality meme. So you can generate any kind of meme guys. The second option is themed meme. Click on themed meme and just you will have to give a topic, or you will have to give the any kind of background guys. Otherwise you can put your face also. So just you will have to upload your photo or whatever kind of background you wanna give, and just click on generate. Give the prompt and click on generate guys. They will generate the whole meme for you with the same background, with the same theme. So I hope you like the video guys. Thanks for watching. If you want to support us, please subscribe the channel. Thank you guys. Have a good day. All the best.